welcome to Nine Nails Garage. Today we're doing something a little different. We got this scrap hole going on back here. We took this dirt out and we moved it so we can stabilize our pool. And then it turned into this swamp. So today we're going to remodel this section here. We're going to make it into a really nice patio today. We're going to make this pretty, so watch us work. Gotta wear gloves because this stuff is nasty. Just saying. Done here. Battery died, so we did get this moved out here. Took out all the bricks, pressure washed them. We're going to put them back so it's nice and even. This is the end of day one. We got the patio laid back out, we got the dirt flattened out, and now we're just waiting on a shipment of rocks to fill the rest in. Maybe we'll get a nice patio set, who knows. Looks good for day one. Hey everyone, welcome back. It's like 3 days later. We finally made it to Lowe's to get the rest of our stuff. We got some rocks dropped off, so we're going to put those in, and now we're just finishing leveling it out and getting all of our stuff ready. Here we go. Finished it off. We got a load of rock in today, so we put that in all around, and we think we did a pretty good job. The white goes good with the patio. Put a border there so that when the grass grows nice, it'll be like, you know, contrast, kind of pretty. So we did what we could, and that's it. back and we got our finished project here. We finished off the patio with some tiki torches that we got from Walmart. Only $2.50 each. Can't beat that. And we also ordered this Tack Life gas fireplace from Amazon. I believe it was under $200 with the rocks too. We had to buy those separate, but it's pretty cool. Looks good, completes the patio. We're gonna finish it off with some nice chairs eventually, but right now we got our lawn chairs out. We're having a good time. So stay tuned for the next project, whatever it is. Thanks for watching 9 Nails Garage Renovation Style.